this issue between this radio host, Mr. Ebo, and Mayowa, because both of them are radio hosts. They work for radio station, right? So it be like say this matter is not ending anytime soon. You know what happened? After I dropped that video yesterday, right? If you have not watched this video, you need to go and watch it, right? I tagged it a marriage from hell. Okay, so the wife, Mayowa, now came and now slammed the husband, the ex-husband, a cease and desist and defamation, and now gave the guy ultimatum, a 3-day ultimatum, to take down his that podcast and come on live television. As he go to the live television to cry that he should go back there again and apologize. Imagine. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, case matter. They say trouble they sleep, Nyanga go wake up. Anyway, guys, this video, as I'm saying, this video will be putting pictures for you. Imagine marrying somebody, and after this thing, somebody you are sending money from Nigeria to the States. Imagine somebody sending somebody money from Nigeria to the States, and you're earning 500,000 from your gig. You now bring out 200,000 from your money and now send to your wife to 500,000. I be 200,000, and the wife later come back again, now marry somebody. First of all, when you are getting married, like I say, when you're looking for love in everything you're doing, because look for love in kind people, because when the love fade out, you now see the real colors of this person. Now the true colors of Mayowa is coming out. Somebody you claim you love a while ago, a few years ago, they say their marriage is somebody you claim you loved a while ago, because according to sources, they say that marriage has lasted about 5 to 8 years. I be one of those, right? So somebody you've lived with for 5 to somebody how many years, you're now slamming a lawsuit, a cease and desist. You can imagine the woman now sends his team of lawyers to this guy, to Mr. Ebo, that he's going to pay her 100 million naira lawsuit. Remember, Mayowa was married to Mr. Ebo before she went to the States. And you that is slamming this law, a large sum of money in your cease and desist, forgot that you are still married to this guy, and now went to the States and married somebody else in the quest to secure papers in the US embassy. This is a big crime. If Trump hear this one, this woman is coming back immediately, because lawyers are now coming out saying that they are going to do the case pro bono. You see, say Inyanga they sleep, I be trouble they sleep, Inyanga go wake up. I don't know which one, who they sleep, who wake each other up. How can you be so insensitive to somebody that you've exchanged vows with over time? This one no be say you use clear eye. It's not the devil's workshop. They say somebody will start saying, it's the devil. Is this no this matter? You know, be devil's workshop. That's why I say marriage palaver in the end. I don't know why people are so callous and so mean when it comes to some things. If you know they do with person, tell the person, cuckoo. This guy come on national podcast, they cry. A grown man, full-blown man, he send you money. This guy is not crying only because he lost money. You were cheating. According to the man, he said he was cheating. The Mayowa was cheating on him. The money he be sending, the Mayowa, they say Mayowa, according to the man, he said Mayowa did not, she was busy using contraceptives while in their marriage, and he wasn't in consent of it. Okay, so the lawyers are now saying they will be writing to the US embassy regarding the allegations of fraudulent marriage. They say the marriage is fraudulent, and if you're married twice, in the law is bigamy, and is a very, very big offense in the law. Talk more of when Trump used here say one of the immigrants, now use marriage on purpose to secure papers. Oh boy, now they go bundle this one, come back Nigeria. Say they will take the case pro bono. They have taken the case as their personal interest, and they will be taking this matter, and this matter will be approached with professionalism, diligence, and a firm with commitment to justice. Oh boy, one firm don't buy the matter. So if you're fighting your husband, if you're married to your wife, because most times it's not only the women, the guys they do them. I know of a family that came, he's married to his wife. He now told the woman, say, make you no worry, that he's going to the States to secure papers, that she should divorce him. The woman mumu go divorce the man. The man, as he divorced the man, this man run go States, settle there, he forgot the woman. So most times these people have their, they know what they use, they know what they do, they know what they are doing. So in the quest to secure papers, please do not hurt somebody. In the quest, we not say Nigeria is bad. Even the party, all of them, everybody they hustle. No use your fellow human being pain, hustle. No use pain your person where you say exchange vows with. No hustle on top person. So before you start misquoting what I said, if you are married twice, you've not ended your first marriage, you now go and marry another person, it's a big offense. It's a very big offense. So on your quest to hustle, please, you do not use somebody's tears and use somebody's pain and step on people's toes just to be on the top, just because you feel you want to secure papers. Oh boy, this is a people don't they buy the matter. On how you feel about this video, please leave your comments on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, they finish.